my learning rock stars, welcome to a new session of grade 4 reasoning book, and this is chapter number 4. We are going to learn about mirror images. Now question arises, why to study mirror images? On doing the problems based on mirror images, it increases the flexibility of your mind and develops your thought process. It enhances critical thinking and develops a problem solving skills. So let's begin here. We have a girl, Diana, and she is asking her father, what are mirror images? So he simply told her, take a slate, write down your name and class and stand in front of mirror. And what does she observe? She finds that her name is coming there, but it is laterally inverted and we are not easily able to read it properly. So we need to develop a skill where you are able to analyze what is written in the mirror image form, and it will develop your mental power skills and work as a brain booster. So let's begin and understand the basic concept that when you write something and observe the figure in the mirror, it always appears in the reversed manner. That means your left and right sides are interturned. We call it laterally inverted. Now further, we have few alphabets here. You could see that how these alphabet looks when you see them as a reflection on the mirror. And these are all from A to Z. Now moving further, we have taken small letters. So small letters look like this, and to your surprise, some of the letters appear exactly same how they are. Like you could see alphabet V, W, X, and they are not getting inverted. So when you keep these tricks in your mind, it's going to help you to read the inverted reflected images more easily. And when you talk about numbers, number 0 and number 8 appears exactly same on the mirror images. See, it's over here. So let's try drawing some of the mirror images. Here I have a figure. If I just look at its mirror image, you could observe that this dark part comes closer and this dark part goes away. So this is immediate reflection of the object. The nearer object comes nearer to the mirror and the far object is going farther, right? And further, I have brought a question now. If you want to draw the mirror image of this object, what do you see? We could see that the top left should be a square. That means this is one of the possible outcome. Then we have another square divided by triangles. So we say that B becomes the correct answer. Understood? Now we move further. I have brought some alphabets and we have made words out of them. So let's see how do they look when you make the mirror images. This is the actual image and this is the mirror reflection. So the S turns like this and then we have E which looks like this. Are you understanding it? Moving further, this C takes the position like this. Coming to U, U exactly remains the same and S also takes a lateral turn. This is another way to take the reflection of brilliant. So we start reading from here. B takes this place, then comes R, I, L, L, I, A, N, T. And more important, did you observe? T, A, I remains the same as they were in the actual image. Similarly, another word awesome is there. Here you could see that A remains same. Then we have W, it also remains same, and again O and M takes the same reflection when we draw their mirror image. So once you understand that how the mirror images are formed, you are very comfortable in reading the mirror images. And remember, when you start doing mirror images question, your brain tickles and your memory improves. So it's a very good mental exercise. Here I have brought the mirror image of two numbers. See how 4 gets reflected, and this is how we could see the mirror image of number 5. So are you ready to start with the more questions? Here is an example where you have to find the mirror image of F7M5C. So on observing it very carefully, your F looks like this. This is your 7, then comes M, this is reflected 5, and here comes C. So C becomes your correct option. Now let's come to example 2. Here you need to find the mirror image of this image. So let's quickly draw one rhombus here, and this rhombus is divided in 4 parts. The reflection of G will come like this. This part will be yellow, and further this part will be yellow, and K takes this place. So right, can you tell me what's the right option? Here we go, we got B as the right answer. Now after this we have an exercise. So start very calmly and slowly. Start making the correct image over here. Like I'll guide you. We write down 3, which comes near the mirror, then comes 2. So this way you will come to know this is the wrong answer. Then we make 9. So 9 will come like this, and we could see that we are going in the right direction. Then comes 8, 8 remains same, and 7 comes like this. So can you help me? What's the right answer over here? Yes, wonderful. This is your right option. So again, my only advice to you is hold a pencil in your hand, start drawing the mirror images of the numbers, the alphabets, of the numbers, alphabets, or even some of the shapes given, and move very slowly and calmly. It's going to make you a sharp problem solver. Believe me, and move ahead. So we have few questions where you have to draw the mirror image and then check which of these could be the correct options here. Now another question we have is the question related to reflection of a clock. So let's draw a circle, mark the numbers, and we know that 12 will remain at the top and 8 will come like this. So very quickly, can you guess the right answer here? Good going, beautiful. Believe me, constant practice, analysis and slow movement towards your success will definitely improve your success rate of solving these problems. Initially, you might find them difficult, but believe me, your continuous devotion and practice will make them an easy cup of tea, and you are going to outshine, because ultimately it's going to affect your mental growth. My word of advice is that constant practice, observation and practice is going to improve the success rate of solving these questions. So your time begins now, and we have a brain twister where you are going to shade one side of this dotted line, which we call as a mirror image line. And here you are going to color 4 boxes in red and 3 boxes in blue, and the exact mirror image is to be made on the another side. So are you ready to start? Here we go.